Good Thursday morning, everybody. We are starting off the day with a little bit of a hazy look across most of the Brazos Valley, and that is partly thanks to some of the storms that we saw yesterday, in which we got just under 2.5 inches near the Bryan College Station area. That's 2.49, the official reading out of Easterwood. Some of us might have even gotten a little bit more than that. And we're a little bit muggy out there thanks to that rain as well. We'll see a small chance for some showers through the rest of the morning and then a better chance of rain as we go into the afternoon hours. Much like yesterday, I think we'll go for about a 40 to 50% coverage of off and on showers and storms, and a couple of storms could drop in a couple more isolated totals of 2+ inches. So let's get a look at that here in your PinPoint model forecast. Coverage, again, doesn't look terrible as we go into this afternoon, so have the umbrella and the rain gear handy, not only today but into our Friday as well. And I expect Friday we will see similar coverage. We'll go for about a 40 to 50% shot. Here's what we're all watching, though. This is Tropical Storm Harvey, and it has strengthened a pretty good deal in the overnight and into this morning. So sustained winds right now around 60 miles per hour. Hurricane hunters found that. That is an observed sustained wind out of that with gusts above 60 miles per hour. Still moving off to the north and west, and it'll move still pretty slowly, about 10 miles per hour, but we are expecting it to strengthen to at least Category 1 strength of a hurricane before it makes landfall near the Corpus area, maybe even a little bit farther south and west than that. There's a possibility that it strengthens a little bit more. The real question is what happens after it makes landfall. Most models have it moving off to the south and east, and then maybe perhaps taking a turn to the north and east, and that is one of the reasons why we are treating this very seriously with the terms of rainfall potential. Hurricane warning in effect for those areas that you saw where that landfall is likely to be near. Tropical storm warning just to the south of the Brazos Valley, but that tropical storm watch that was in effect yesterday for Austin and Waller, that has actually been canceled for us here in the Brazos Valley, so a little bit of good news for us there as that track has shifted a little bit to the south and west. That being said, we are not out of the woods just yet. Here's a look at some models that have that tropical movement there, and you see that weird turn to the south and east, and that's because this hurricane will likely, if it is a hurricane, will likely be steering itself, and won't be a whole lot of upper level winds to stop it, so it's got a little bit of figuring out to do once it makes landfall, and because of that, we're going to keep rain chances into next week as well. So our next best chance of showers and storms likely not into the later portions of Saturday, and especially into our Sunday, and possibly carrying on into the first couple of days of next week as well. Still going for widespread totals of about 3 to 7 inches plus. Isolated amounts of 10+ inches will be a possibility through about Tuesday of next week. So have that rain gear with you through the end of the week, and be prepared to use it by the time we get towards the middle part of the weekend. It'll start to get breezy as well, starting tomorrow and continuing through at least Tuesday and Wednesday of next week.